How do you build real wealth without spending hours staring at charts? Welcome to the ultimate guide to passive investing.
In the US, it's called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. In India, it's a systematic investment plan, or SIP.
Both strategies mean the same thing: investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter where the market goes.
When prices fall, your fixed budget automatically buys more shares. When prices rise, it buys fewer shares.
This is called rupee cost or dollar cost averaging. It completely removes the stress of trying to time the market. But does it actually beat a one-time big investment? Let's compare a systematic plan against a lump sum deposit.
If you invest a large lump sum, right at the market peak, a crash can hurt your portfolio for years.
But with a recurring SIP or DCA, you accumulate cheap shares during the crash, recovering much faster. But with a recurring SIP or DCA, you accumulate cheap shares during the crash, recovering much faster.
The secret is automation. Set up your monthly SIP in rupees or recurring DCA in dollars, then walk away. Now that you've automated your savings, where should you put them? Enter the absolute king of passive investing: index funds. An index fund doesn't try to pick individual winning stocks. Instead, it buys a tiny piece of the entire market. In the US, you buy the S&P 500. In India, you buy the Nifty 50 or Sensex. These indices represent the biggest, strongest, and most resilient businesses in each respective nation. By owning the index, you are betting on the long-term economic growth of the entire country. But why not pay a professional fund manager to pick the best stocks for you? Let's look at the stats. Over any 10-year period, more than 90% of active fund managers fail to beat the simple index. Why do they fail? High management fees. Active mutual funds charge heavy fees that eat into your compounding wealth. An index fund has ultra-low expenses. This tiny difference saves you hundreds of thousands of dollars or rupees over time. Plus, index funds give you instant diversification. If one tech company fails, your index has hundreds of others to support it. The index automatically rebalances. It boots out failing companies and brings in rising stars, completely on autopilot. This hands-off approach turns the magic of compound interest into your personal wealth engine over the next decades. Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it, earn it. Even a small regular habit of 5,000 rupees or $200 a month can scale into a massive fortune. Now you know the power of DCA, SIP, and index funds. In Part 2, we dive into ETFs, small cases, and exact compound formulas.